4 Bangladeshi nationals were arrested from the house of Ashish Majumder under Rishyamukh block late on Friday night. The 4 Bangladeshis arrested from Rishyamukh police outpost along with the house owner Ashish Majumder were handed over to the Billionaire police station on Saturday morning. They came to Tripura illegally from Bangladesh to go to Surat in Gujarat.
Illegal entry into India continues despite the presence of barbed wire on the border, avoiding the attention of the BSF. This border is being used as a corridor for all goods or human trafficking from Bangladesh. Naturally, questions began to arise about internal security measures. 4 Bangladeshi nationals were arrested from the house of Ashish Majumder, the old Matai of Rishyamukh block, late on Friday night. At the same time, the owner of the house, Ashish Majumder, was arrested. According to the source, Ashish has built a human trafficking empire across the Billionaire subdivision with dust in the eyes of the border guards. The 4 Bangladeshis were detained and interrogated from the house of human trafficker Shamal Majumder in a joint operation of Border Guard Force Number 109 and Rishyamukh Fadi. It was found that they did not have any valid documents. The 4 Bangladeshis arrested from Rishyamukh police outpost on Saturday morning along with the house owner Ashish Majumder were handed over to Billionaire police station. They came to India from Bangladesh to go to Surat in Gujarat.
Today we have received one complaint from BSF last night. The BSF and along with Rishyamukh outpost received one information that 4 Bangladeshi have entered illegally through Indo-Bangla border and took residence at one house, that is Ashish Majumder. Accordingly, to verify the information, BSF along with Rishyamukh police outpost jointly conducted raid, and during raid found total 4 persons of Bangladeshi, 2 women and 2 men, and accordingly they have handed over to Billionaire PS. Accordingly, as per law, we have taken one case. Case number is 2023/73, and we have forwarded before Lanet Court with police for 3 days police remand.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.